Make a great choice today with the 1996 850. Volvo's serious reputation began to change in the mid-90s when the Swedish maker introduced its front-wheel drive 850 series sedan. With its sleek lines and durable engine, the vehicle clearly filled a need in the marketplace. After just 1 year, the 850 sedan accounted for a high percent of Volvo's U.S. sales. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, cruise control, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, cloth seats. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.